like most things, it's kind of a long story, but I think all in all, like all roads lead to Rome, so I spent obviously a long time playing. I studied engineering at school. I was lucky enough to get a scholarship to Michigan Tech. So while I was there, I obviously, I think had some time to delve into the analytical side of things. And from there, I think I took that with me when I left school. And then getting into playing in the NHL, and playing the game the way I did. I had a lot of injuries. I had 14 surgeries over 16 years. So I was always looking at different ways, I think, to improve the gear, improve my performance and just get the most out of it. So, coming near the end of my career, I started developing some intellectual property in the protective space. I have IP that we're going to bring forth with Verbero, but essentially it's fully ventilated protection systems. It's IP I own. I started to license while I was still playing, and ended up, losing a deal really with Easton. We were pretty far down the line with some stuff, and when they got bought by Bauer, the project got squashed and lost some time. But then I started to go to work for a hockey company. I was acting president there for 4 years. And while I was there, we acquired some brands. The First Star brand, formerly that Canadian apparel brand, and I was an owner and partner in that. And then the Verbero brand came in as well. So I got a chance to, spend almost 2 years with the brand before I acquired it. Got to work with a lot of the products, went through the archives and found a lot of great, assets from the company and really all in all, fell in love with it in certain regards. Then an opportunity just kind of came across my life, I guess, at the time to make an exit from there and leave some interest on the table with First Star. And I was able to acquire the Verbero brand and take it outside. So, always with the intention to run it the way that I see best fit, and wanted to make sure that certainly all of our equipment, our products were the best in the business, and I wanted to offer them at a great price. So I wanted to sell them directly. I was really excited as a brand to communicate with people about it, because I think the other brands have really lost their touch, and I don't think they communicate with people anymore. And we want to be approachable in that regard. Really took some of the best bits of Verbero, our skate, for example, it comes off of a chassis that allows us to make a full carbon fiber hockey skate. That's just, it's absolutely stunning, high performance. And again, we put it at an amazing, direct to consumer price. And then we brought in a stick from another project that I was working on, and it's 350 grams, lightest stick on the market. It's durable. It's super well balanced and incredibly powerful when the puck goes off the blade. And then really wrap that in with some other great equipment. And we developed a team software, that basically a proprietary software that allows us to create team stores on demand virtually. So we started partnering with a lot of teams, leagues, and associations, because in addition to the equipment, we own manufacturing. So we really are an apparel company, I would say, just as much as an equipment manufacturer. And in that regard, our ability to move faster there and really streamline that process, again, allows us to extend savings back to the customer, certainly convenience. And we really, really excel in customization, I would say, is the thing we're getting more and more known for, to be able to do this on demand for all these different teams, leagues, and associations. So, we've been busy, I would say, and the road to get here has been long, but also it's been kind of a cool journey. And then I wanted to find the best way again to extend our ability to talk to people. So, we tripled the industry standard commission rate for sales associates. We allow our reps to build their own sub-rep forces, so anybody can work with their best friends and colleagues to optimize their efforts. And you basically earn on your sub-rep sales as well. And then your sub-rep has, again, the opportunity to grow their own sub-rep force. So it kind of just goes on and compounds. So, that's really fit into our marketing. It's definitely fit into our sales. And I think our ability to connect is starting to multiply, especially in a time where, I think we're more disconnected in a lot of ways than we've ever been. So there's an out of the gates special for you guys.
Take it out of the gate.